Happy 40th birthday, Nix. My wish for you is a lifetime of love and boundless happiness with Khalil, Choco, Bao Bao, and Tam Tam. See you all soon. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday. May you have many more happy years to come. Since maliit siya, talagang lagi namin siyang pinupuntahan sa house nila. Lagi kaming magkakasama. And akala talaga nila sister ko siya.
Thank you so much for everything, especially giving birth to my 3 favorite people in the world, which I love the most. But I hope to see you soon. I love you and I miss you.
Asan mo rin kayo? Ayun, sinaserve na yung pagkain eh. Kasi kompleto na kami.
After po nung birthday ko, looking forward siya sa fortune. Itutuloy daw yung birthday ko. Pero hindi po niya alam, nagpe-prepare na po para gawing memorable itong party na to kay Nika.
And beneath the face, lioness exterior, you've got the softest heart, especially when it comes to your 3 beautiful kids.
Mahal namin kayo, ikaw, si Khalil at saka mga anak mo. Basta nandito lang kami.
I just want to greet her. Happy birthday, ate. And I love you very much.
The boss, what she wants, I procure.
Thank you for being good tita to our kids and Ninang kay Wancho. We appreciate it very much. We love you, we love you.
Yan. O, tignan mo. Sa'yo lang siya nagpa-picture, Mara.
Talagang caring nga. Pag parang nasa tabi ko yan, pagka mayroon akong nararamdaman na nandyan yan.
Thank you, Mami. Alam mo naman na sabi ko nga sa iyo, di ba, sa likod ng hirap at ng ginhawa, sa away at bati, alam mo, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko hanggang sa huli.
Seriously, thank you all for coming. And I feel so loved and blessed. I feel so loved and blessed and lucky to have you as my family and friends. Maybe few, but true. Thank you. Love you all.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.